Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fiama Canada, and today we're going to be learning how to descale the Jura S8. What you're going to need to complete this process is Jura descaling tablets. They come in a 3-pack or a 36-pack, precisely 500 milliliters of water, and 2 receptacles to catch all of your spent water from the spouts on both the milk side and central coffee side. Now, pro tip, don't forget, whenever you're doing a descaling cycle, if you do have a filter in the machine, always remove it. If you don't do that, the solution, the descaling solution, will actually render the filter useless, and any coffee made after using that will taste a little bit funny. So don't forget, before you start the process, remove your filter if you're using one, and then begin. Step 1. On the top center of your machine, you're going to see a notification that says decalcify the machine. You're going to select that, it's going to bring you to the menu, and you're going to start the descaling process. Now once you do that, it's going to ask you to empty the grinds container no matter what. Make sure you pull out the tray, even if you have emptied it, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and put it back inside the machine. At this point, you're pretty much ready to go. The next thing you're going to be doing is emptying the water tank of the fresh water, getting precisely 500 milliliters of water, and then adding your 3 descaling tablets. Now, before putting it into the machine, you're going to wait for the agent in tank message. Once that comes up, you're going to pour all that solution in. You're going to want to make sure it's fully dissolved. Before doing that, you're going to see a clear blue color. At this point, you're going to put the 2 receptacles under the machine and wait. After about 20-ish minutes, the machine will be done using that decalcifying solution, and it'll ask you to rinse the water tank and put clean water. You're going to put your clean water in, rinse the water tank, likely going to have to empty the tray at some point, and put it all back together. Now, the machine's going to actually take the fresh water that you've put in and run that through. Put your receptacles back to catch all the water that's coming out. Once that's done, you're finished your descaling process. Thanks for watching how to descale your Jura S8. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiama_Canada. Check out our website for all your cleaning products and maintenance needs, www.fiama.ca.